Seeking English S.A.T. Workbook, page 322, problem 4. I'll go straight to it. This may not look to you like a quadratic, but it is. It's a quadratic that has canceling middle terms. You can see this, you have a square here, and then you have a negative number here, nice round integer. Reason this might be confusing in terms of what to do next is you've got too much of something in here, and too much of something is the number 2. And say, oh, well, if I divide this by 2 and I divide this by 2, what's going to happen? Wow, if you divide 0 by 2, it's still 0. So if you see something that looks like a quadratic, it has a 0 on one side, don't worry about it too much. Anything you do on the left side is probably not going to affect the right side very much as long as it's multiplication or division. In this case, it's going to be division. Becomes x squared. This becomes 81. Now, because you see that there's a square here, you're not done. You're not done. A bad answer here is 81. Okay, if you're in a hurry, like students probably were when they designed this problem, you see 81 and then bang, you drop it right in there. No, don't do that. Remember, it has to be a square. Okay, this is. I try to do everything on the left side of this board where there isn't a glare. Hopefully, in some future video, this glare will be gone. I know by now you're sick of it. I'm sick of it. Okay, this is x plus 9, x minus 9. What they're asking for is this. What could be a value of x? So your choices are, okay, could be the minus 9 that cancels with this 9 to produce this 0. Or it could be the positive 9 that cancels with this minus 9 in order to produce this 0. That's how quadratics work if there's a 0 in them. And if there's not a 0, you can usually push things around to produce that 0. In the meantime, though, right. So your choices are minus 9 would fit there. Minus 3 doesn't do it. 27 doesn't do it. Okay, and 81 doesn't do it. As always, I'm curious about why the wrong answers. So if you this one I understand, these two I'm confused about these. So if you come up with something, let me know. Okay. Thanks.